Getting your 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is actually easy, but a lot of people are going about it the wrong way, and that's the reason why they are not getting the views. There are two ways you can hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. One is very fast. I mean very fast. The other is slower. This is where the real growth happens. If you pick the wrong one, you end up struggling with low views, 0 to no views. So in this video, I'll break down the two methods and help you choose the right one that actually works. Let's start with the one everybody is chasing, method one. Now, this method is very fast. I mean, it works like magic. A lot of people grow overnight. Some 2 days, some 3 days, some even a day. They're already blowing up. Now, what they do is that they go on a platform like Instagram, they get a viral clip, and they collaborate with the clip using shorts, and boom, the next thing is 1,000 subscribers. Wow, you love it, right? Everybody loves fast growth. You are growing, your subscribers have grown. No, it looks like growth, right? The numbers are going up. You are already happy that your channel is growing in numbers. Like, honestly, no, seriously, let's be serious about this, because here I will tell you the truth. Like, I will tell you the truth because I've experimented these two methods, and I will tell you the truth. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. On this channel, I help YouTuber beginners grow, build, and monetize, and stay monetized. I share strategies and mistakes to avoid. If this sounds like something you love and you want to hear more, go ahead and like this video. Drop me a comment in the comment section of this video, and then subscribe. So here is the major problem. These subscribers, they are coming, they are trooping in, but the funniest thing is that they are not coming for you. They came because of that viral video you posted. They came because of the viral shot. They came because of that funny comic thing. They came because of that image, that video. The moment you stop giving them those kind of videos, subscribers stop coming. And remember, they are coming because of that shot, and meaning that they are only interested in the short. Do you get the gist? So you are going to grow in numbers, but you're not going to really actually grow into the money that you are looking for. Remember, you are here. I don't know how many of you are here for. I don't know if you are here for fun. Just let me know in the comment section that, okay, yeah, I'm here for fun. Just type in the comment section that, oh yeah, I'm here for fun. I'm not here for anything serious. Let's know about it. But I'll be so happy to meet you. So if you are new and you're seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome. I want to meet you, all right? So let me know in the comment section of this. When you now post your original content, you end up having 20 views, 10 views, 50 views. And you're wondering, yeah, your channel is growing, but you end up not having a community, no engagement, no real growth. So this is what this method one can do to your channel. What is the right way? This video. So let me remove this. Okay, so now let's talk about the method two. Method two is the slower. Like it looks like it's the slower, but this is where the real growth lies. This is the real growth. I mean, when you say real growth machine, this is it. This is it. Now here you share valuable content. You focus on value instead of virality. You focus on quality instead of quantity. This is the real growth. And here you see people solving problems, real problems in their videos. And you see people will come back for more. People will click, watch, stay to the end. Reason is that video is solving a problem. And they will subscribe naturally. Subscribing naturally means that I love what you do. I want to come back for more. For this and for more of this kind of content. So now tell me, without even ending this video, right? Tell me, just by hearing this part, how do you feel right now? Now, let me give you a typical example. On my AI channel, right, in fact, when I started the channel, I removed money mindset off my neck. I took it off. I removed YouTube monetization off my mind. I took it off. Do you know why? When you start thinking about YouTube monetization, you want to do what everybody is doing just to get monetized. And getting monetized, this is a video for another day. I don't want to pack you guys Guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I have a lot of things I want to share with everybody, but then you need to subscribe. Turn on the post notification so you don't miss the next one. I will expose everything. Dear, I assure you, if you're a YouTuber beginner, I'm going to tell you the whole truth. I started seeing real growth on my channel when I focused on these two things. Number one is I focused on delivering value in my video, solving problem in my video. And that is crazy. Number two is I collaborate. Not random collaboration, but putting my content in the front of my audience. That is the right audience. When your content is valuable, they don't just subscribe. They watch, they stay, and they come back for more. In fact, they watch other videos. They begin to trust your voice. They become your audience. This method is slower, but this is where the real growth is. This is where the real money is. This is where building a lasting community is. So now you have two choices. The first one is you choose to grow faster and quickly, then 0 views, no audience, no community. In fact, the money you are running after will be running away from you because you don't chase money. Money should chase you because value will always attract money naturally. Or you choose the slower method and grow your audience into that cash that you're looking for. So let me know in the comment section, which of this method do you think you fall into? No, let's be honest. I love being practical. No. Nobody's going to laugh at you. Do you understand? Because every day we learn or learn to relearn. So I learned this when I started my new channel and I implemented a lot of things there. I've seen results in my new channel and I want to share the same strategy that actually, in fact, during the week, I've actually helped 2 people set up their channels. Yes, that's the beautiful part of this because I was able to crack this and it's working. My subscribers is moving every day. My watch hours is moving every day. I'm going to share the full story in detail later. So turn on the post notification so you don't miss my next update. Until then, keep creating value. Don't stop creating value. It might take time, but the beauty thing is that you are building sustainability. You're building for impact. You're building for long term. It is not for short term, okay? So keep investing your time, keep making your research, and you will definitely grow your channel. If you want me to make a video on how I created my AI channel, the step-by-step guide, and how you can start yours and the faceless channel, everything, channel creation, everything, type in the comment section of this video, AI channel, faceless channel, AI. To my new viewers, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, and to my returning viewers, you are amazing. The reason why this channel is still moving is because you are always supporting me. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.